The question is find the distance between given 2 points, and the point is 1, 2 and second point is 4, 7. So first we will write assume the first point is x1, y1, that is 1, 2, and second point is x2, y2, that is 4, 7. So there is one formula to find the distance between 2 points, and that is a square root of x1 minus x2 a square plus y1 minus y2 a square. Simply put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 here. So we can write 1 minus 4 a square plus 2 minus 7 a square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, so we can write minus 3 a square plus 2 minus 7 is minus 5, so minus 5 a square. Minus 3 a square is 9 plus minus 5 a square is 25. So we can write a square root of 34. So the distance between these 2 points is a square root 34. So the answer is a square root 34.